Well, hello, I'm about to make a simple sauce for fish, but also a classic. It's called Beurre Blanc, and it goes with so many different types of fish, particularly well with salmon. And I do think it's something you really need to learn how to make because everybody loves it. Everybody can't have enough of it. So first of all, Beurre Blanc, chop up some shallots. Unfortunately these days, shallots come a lot more easy to chop up. The banana shallot, that's the one that's shaped like that. So I'm just chopping these up. I don't need to do a massively wonderful job of neatly chopping these shallots up because after I've simmered them gently in white wine vinegar and white wine, I'm going to pass them out of the sauce through a sieve. Just to prove my point, the last one I'll do really roughly. Okay, now then, my super new induction cooker, which is bound to go wrong. Let us start by setting the time to full on and add my shallots into the pan and add some water, about 60 mils, and some white wine, about 40 mils, and finally 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. All I need to do now, apart from finding a little bit of salt, a pinch thereof, is bring that hastily to the boil. See, comes to the boil, I love these new fangled things, comes to the boil almost instantly. Now I'm just going to boil that away quite rapidly till it comes down to about 2 tablespoons of well-reduced liquid. And why I say this is such an easy sauce is there's no fish stocks, there's no sort of complicated ingredients in it, that's it. So, good. Now then, we wait. Okay, that's just about it, just to show you the sort of amount of liquid I mean to leave. So I'm just passing the shallots, the reduced liquor through the shallots, just push it through a little bit with the back of a spoon. And now we start making up the sauce. So just get that boiling again. And now some other ingredients. First of all, about 40 mils of double cream. Just shake that in a little bit. And now we go for the butter. I've got cold butter here, cut it into smaller chunks. And now I'm just going to whisk it into the sauce. So here we go, whisk, whisk, whisk. It's starting to smell extremely lovely. You just go on with the butter until you've got the thick enough sauce. And when I say thick enough, the way to tell is just to get a spoon and just see whether the sauce coats the back of a spoon nicely. And that does. So that's it. When that butter is in there, and what you might have noticed, but I didn't tell you, is that I've actually reduced the temperature now down to about 80 degrees. So that's just to keep it warm. The only thing left to do is to taste it. Lovely, lush. So just keep that warm and cook some fish to go with it. Maybe some salmon.